Hi, this is Varun and you're watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I will show you how you can generate images using MIDJOURNEY AI for the first time. If you are a complete beginner to MIDJOURNEY, this tutorial is going to help you a lot. So first of all, you have to have a account with Discord. If you don't have, create one in your mobile phone or you can create from the web. After that, go to this website or search Google for midjourney.com. You will have this page, and from here click on join beta. It will connect to your Discord server and it will log you in to Midjourney. So to create an image, click on any of these newbie rooms. I'm going to click on this room 139. In the text box, click in the text box, press backslash in your keyboard, then click on imagine. So the prompt will open and let's create some images. Let me create some images like fruit bowl in a heaven full of angels. Fruit bowl in a heaven full of angels. So then click, then press enter, and it will start creating. As you can see, waiting to start. I'm still waiting. 0% completed. The server is so busy. 31% completed. 62% completed. Looks good to me. 93% completed. And I'm just waiting for 100%. So still 90%. Where did it go? Okay. This is our image. This is the image that Midjourney generated for us. I kind of like this version. So again, I have to find it. So V stands for version, U stands for upscale. So if you like the fourth version, you can click on V4 and it will start generating again, making variations for the fourth version. Yeah, it looks good to me. 55% done. Come on, where is it? Yeah. Variations of fourth version. So this is the variation of fourth version. I kind of like this one. This one, the first one. I liked the first one. I like the third one. So let's upscale. U stands for upscale. So click on U3 to upscale the image. It will be upscaling the image. Where is it? Waiting to start. The server is so busy because a lot of people using Midjourney for free. So I'm just waiting to start. Now, as you can see, it has just upscaled my image. I'll click on it and I will click on open in a browser And as you can see, this is the high resolution version of the image. I can just right click and save this image. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video.